All right, back after a little break. It's Monday, July 27th, 2026, the last week of July. Astro Excel, you can see that as the market opened last night, the Astro Excel green line was down at the minus 10 area here, and it kind of is floating there all the way through Monday into Tuesday. It dips down and bottoms out here at the minus 20 line late on Tuesday. Starts to crawl back up and never really gets above the minus 10 area until late on the 30th, where it's there later in the afternoon, evening, and then drifting back down to the minus 10 area through Friday. So slightly negative trend pressure, not a lot of up and down movement on that. So we'll have to concentrate on the blue line and the SSO. You can see as the market opened up, it started to track the blue line here so far. We've got key times here where we're looking at our peaks and valleys on the blue line, and we're also looking at this SSO indicator for key intraday turning point times. It's a key intraday cycle. It may or may not match polarity of highs and lows. But you can see where we are now. We've got this window here. The next one coming up today. We've got a time here about 13:30. We're flat line bottoming on the green line, and the blue line bottoms here about 3 o'clock p.m. Moving forward, we've got the blue line spike here at about 1800. We've got the SSO peak at 2000. Moving into Tuesday, we've got the blue line bottoms here about 1:30 a.m. and then we've got the SSO low at 2:30 a.m. Next key peak is the SSO at 8:15. This low point here at 2:20. A high point here at about 20:20 in the evening. Moving into the 29th, we've got a key time at 3 a.m., a blue line spike at 7 a.m., an SSO peak at 9, and then a big blue line spike bottom between 10:15 and 11:22 on the 29th. We've got a blue line peak here just below the plus 10 area, just in front of this SSO bottom at 3 p.m. Later in the evening at 2100 on the 29th, we've got this spike high there. On the 30th at 342, ties in with the blue line spike at the plus 10 area. We've got another blue line spike at 644, not marked with the blue line. And then we've got the SSO peak right here with the blue line bottom at about 10 a.m. on the 30th. 344 late in the day session, 1544 on the 30th. We've got the SSO low. We also got a blue line wide bottom here at 1830 to about 1945. And we've got the blue line spike about 2140 in the evening. We've got a blue line high and an SSO low here at 4:19 a.m. on the 31st. And the last important potential pivot point for the week is here at 10:13 a.m. on Friday. So those are key turn times for the week. We're using the Astro Excel blue line, green line. The blue line will give us some trend. It's always important to watch when the blue line is syncing with the SSO. They will usually track together. The market price will track with those. And then those are the key turn times where you're going to see the significant pivots come in this week. And then, of course, I'm always looking to line these up with the Vedic Rainbow and the pH indicator, because that will fine-tune your turn time on the lower time frame chart. So we get the bigger picture here on the 60-minute, and we fine-tune with the rainbow and the pH on the 4-minute chart.